Hi everyone! Today we're going to walk you through the process of adding a tag on Brevo. If you're new to Brevo, check the description for a link to a free trial. For existing users, just log in and follow the steps with us. Click on Campaigns. This option is usually found on your dashboard. It will take you to the section where you can manage all your marketing campaigns. Click on Create a Campaign. This button will allow you to initiate the process of setting up a new marketing campaign. Brevo offers various campaign types such as regular email campaigns, A/B testing, or automated campaigns. Choose the one that best fits your marketing goals. Next, choose a descriptive name that reflects the content or purpose of the campaign. This will help you easily identify it later. Once you've named your campaign, you'll be directed to the campaign settings page. Here you can customize various aspects of your campaign. Look for the section at the bottom of the settings page labeled Additional Settings. Click on it to access additional options. In the advanced settings, you will find an option to add a tag. Tags help you categorize your campaigns and manage your contacts more effectively. Click on the Add a Tag option. This will allow you to enter a new tag for your campaign. Choose a relevant name for your tag that will help you identify it in the future. Tags can be used to track specific themes or target audiences. After entering your tag name, make sure to save your changes. And that's it. You will now see that your tag has been added to your campaign. This will help you organize your newsletters and make it easier to segment your audience for future campaigns. I hope you found this helpful. Before we finish up, I want to invite you to a free training webinar where you can learn how to earn high-ticket commissions while growing your email list at the same time. It's completely free, so be sure to grab your spot by clicking the link in the description below. Thanks for watching.